How to remove the front license plate holder from a Ford Focus ST. Now, this isn't that easy because you have these screws that are inverted and rivets, and you have to drill them out. You're going to need a portable drill, 2 drill bits, a 3/16 and a 9/64. Let's start with the 9/64. If you see inside there, you're going to see the center, and it's going to be a different color from the block, and that's going to be the screw / rivet. And what we're going to do is we're going to put our drill bit and we're going to start drilling right there. All right, we punched through it. We're going to clean this up and then we're going to go to our next drill bit. And now our 3/16. So you're going to see the block part, it's going to start to spin, and that's good because we want to separate it. So it's spinning. And what I'm going to do just to separate the head from the actual bolt screw / rivet is I'm going to just move it a little bit up, down, left, right. All right, guys, we're getting close. So I moved up 1 drill bit to 1/4 inch and I got the head off. All right, and it's off. Okay, we cleaned around the area and it definitely looks better without the license plate holder. We also found some plugs to plug up the holes, which is going to be helpful. And yeah, I mean, it shouldn't be that hard to remove the license plate, but we got it. If this video helped you out, please press the like button and make sure to check out our other videos for the Ford Focus ST. We have a lot of maintenance and upgrade videos. All right, thank you for watching. Take care.